How are you today?
I am back with another story time. So this story takes place about 2 years ago, I guess. Okay. I am the biggest arachnophobe in the world. That's what I think. This one time, I was with my sister. I was driving home. I don't remember where I was, but it was like 11:30 p.m. I was just, all of a sudden, I see with my peripheral, I see like a black shadow right here.
I don't know how this happened, but when I looked at my window, like right here beside me while I was driving, there was the biggest spider I've ever encountered. The biggest. Right here on my window. Just there.
I saw that and I was still driving. I don't know, it was God. I couldn't have done it without him. I pulled over slowly, made my way to the back seat slowly, and I told my sister, I'm like,
There is a huge, disgusting spider on my window.
and she looked at it and that spider started crawling. To her side. So she started making her way to the back seats. I mentioned in my last video that there was like a gap because of the crash, and we wanted to make that spider leave through there, because if we made any rush movements, probably it would like jump at us or something. Oops. No. Oh my god. So we took a whole bunch of stuff that I had in my back seat and just tried throwing it at her. We were there for about 5 to 10 minutes so we could get that freaking spider out of my car. Finally, she left. But she stayed on the mirror. Just there. She wouldn't leave. I got back in my seat and just went home. And I still had about 30 more minutes to go. I was shaking. It's a miracle that I didn't panic, that I didn't crash, that I didn't go crazy, because it was huge. It was so gross.
I hate spiders.
Well, anyway, and that's it. Now you know what happened. Nothing crazy happened, but she was there on my window. That's a huge story to tell. Has that ever happened to you? If it has, just let me know in the comments, okay? I want to know. And I want to know if there's anybody else that's freaking disgusted by spiders, like really bad, like me.
I can't tell. No.
Oh, what happened to the spider? I just forgot about it. It was still there. That is so gross. My dad killed it. I have no idea. But I've had 3 encounters with those huge spiders, the same ones. They're like the flat ones. They're so gross. I don't know. Oh my god. One of them was like on the hood of the car, and the other one on this mirror, the driver's side, in different occasions, like different days. I was like, what is up with the spiders? What's up? Why are you following me?
I hate you.
If you want more videos from me, like this video, please subscribe to my channel, because that way you can know when I upload my videos. And I'm gonna be posting about 2 to 3 times a week, so that's a lot of videos. I'm really taking my time to create cool stuff for you guys so you can be entertained and maybe laugh a little bit. You could be laughing right now. Maybe you can laugh at me and not with me. I don't know, but you'll be laughing. Remember to turn on the notifications so you can see when I post new videos, you know? Okay, bye!
Thank you for watching.
No, Liz. No more dancing, okay? No more dancing. Jeez.
Right. Okay, what was I saying? What was I gonna say? Jess, what's up with my hair?